If you've just opened the Discord app and see the error message loading chunk failed, followed by a number, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to fix it. Step 1. Refresh the Discord app. The first thing you should try is refreshing Discord. On the error screen, simply press Ctrl R. This will reload the app and can often fix minor glitches instantly. Step 2. Close Discord processes from Task Manager. If refreshing doesn't help, the next step is to restart Discord completely. To do this, open your Task Manager by pressing Ctrl+Shift+Escape or by searching Task Manager in the Windows search bar. In Task Manager, look for any processes named Discord. Expand the list if necessary, and make sure to end task for each one. Once all Discord processes are closed, try launching the app again. Step 3. Clear temporary files. If the error is still there, the problem may be caused by corrupted temporary files. To fix this, press Windows+R, type %temp%, and press Enter. This will open your temporary files folder. Select everything inside and delete it. Don't worry, these are just temporary files and safe to remove. Now, try opening Discord again. Step 4. Delete Discord app data. If clearing temp files didn't solve it, let's remove Discord's saved data. Press Windows+R, type %appdata%, and click OK. Here, you'll see a folder named Discord. Right-click on it and delete it. Next, press Windows+R again, type %localappdata%, and press OK. Find the Discord folder here as well and delete it. The final step is to reinstall Discord. Go to the official Discord website, download the latest version, and install it. Now when you open the app, it should launch smoothly without the loading chunk failed error. And that's it. By following these steps, refreshing the app, ending Discord tasks, clearing temporary files, removing app data, and finally reinstalling, you can easily fix this problem. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching. In the end,